How many Americans are living with diabetes? Over 115 million Americans are either living with prediabetes or diabetes. According to the CDC, 28 million Americans are living with diabetes and about 86 million Americans are living with prediabetes. From 1950 to 2014, the number of Americans diagnosed with diabetes has increased from 5.5 million to 22 million people. This is a major public health issue that needs to be addressed. Risk factors can be overweight, having a family history of diabetes, being physically active less than 3 times a week, or giving birth to a baby who has weighed more than 9 pounds. Unfortunately, race can be a factor as well. Can you believe that your race can increase your risk of diabetes? As you can see, this graph is showing the incident rate of diagnosed diabetes in our country from 1997 to 2014. There has been an increase for both African Americans and non-Hispanic whites. Unfortunately, African Americans have had a higher rate for this entire time period. This table is showing diabetes prevalence rate in African Americans and non-Hispanics whites that have similar age, education, and income. Even with the similarities, African Americans still have a higher prevalence rate. With the prevalence rate increasing in the United States, there is a concern that the increase of diabetic patients can overwhelm the existing healthcare systems. In 2012, the total financial cost for diabetes in the United States was $245 billion, which include costs of medical care, disability, and premature death. In 2013, the diabetes death rate for African Americans was 39.5 per 100,000, and for non-Hispanic white, it was 18.6 per 100,000 in the United States. Diabetes is the seventh leading cause of death in our country. What even gets worse is that the death rate in African Americans is more than double compared to the non-Hispanic whites. Diabetes can be preventable, but people in our country are dying from it. What are you willing to do to assist to end this health disparity?